inini. You know what? I have the story about the ok-ok yun sa CR na nagmasahe sa buko-buko ko kasi part-time pala ng mga ok-ok dito sa hotel yung trabaho na magmasahe ng mga kliyente dito. You know what? I do believe that even cockroaches, pusang iring may buhay din. Kaya kailangan din nila na mag-part-time. Marami silang pinapakain ng mga ok-ok din dito. Kaya huwag nyong apakan. I tell you, please do not suppress the cockroaches because they have a living also in their family waiting for them when they come back in their job in this hotel. Tagal na sigurong hotel dito walang tao kaya ok-ok na nag-operate. But I am also happy. Pero, I have another story to tell. Makinig kayo. Spotin ko kayo dyan. It's all about another, hindi na ok-ok yung nakasama ko because I was having my dinner in the morning. Kumaon ako sa buntag yung dinner ko. Binili ko gabi. Kaya nakatulog ako sa sobrang kapoy ng yung leadership training here in Manila. Nila Coach Sal at saka Coach Raymond. Ay, Raymond ba yung Jason pala? At Coach Max. Ayun. I was eating in the morning right after taking a bath. Taking a bath, hindi abat. Taking a bath. Maligo ko. Taka mo. I was about to open my, my gihubak ko. Yung the what we call my breakfast from the dinner or the dinner kasi kung kinain yon naging breakfast na. So, pag ukap ko nakuratan talaga ko, sabi ko pusang iring bakit na naggimok-gimok dito sa burger steak ko. I was about to open and I was so shocked kay budlat yung mata ng ilaga. Kaya pala lihok-lihok, the ilaga was staring at me and I look at in eye-to-eye contact with the rat. Gusto kong pugsitin yung ilaga but I saw in the eyes of the rat he is about to cry. Kaya sabi ko, bakit mo kinain ang burger steak ko? Nagyango-yango yung ilaga. Even though the rat, the small mouse, is not talking right away to me, sabi ko, paano mo to nagawa? That is the problem of the Philippines right now. Even the rats are, fighting for their lives. Kaya sabi ko, I know your worth and importance. I know that you have family to feed. Kaya hindi ko na kinain yung burger steak. Kasi ubos na rin. Nakit-kit na nung ilaga. Kaya sabi ko, Mouse, I know that you have family to feed. Why not? The second time around, I'm leaving my dinner and 8 in the morning. Bring with you your family. You know what? That is how compassionate I am. Kaya the second time, binilin ko na yung burger steak with chicken, rice, and also, sabi ko, anong gusto mong drinks? Sabi ng ilaga sa akin, matagal na siya hindi nakatikim ng pineapple juice. So I bought pineapple juice. The second time around, and I was about to eat my dinner and I forgot I sleep and I wake up in the morning, taking a bath and I was about to eat my breakfast. Sabi ko, baka bumalik yung ilaga. Kaya inukap ko, hindi bumalik ang ilaga. Sabi ko, if you feed Filipinos with the food, you will not do the crime. Because the main reason why there's a crime, because there's a lot of people who don't have something to eat. Kaya sabi ko, mabuti, kahit ilaga makakasabot sa akin. So ayun, hindi ko na nakita yung Ilaga. Bumalik ako ng Davao. And I was so shocked. Tanungin niyo ako bakit. Sumama pala sa aking bag yung Ilaga at ang buong pamilya kasi gusto nilang manirahan ng payapa sa Davao.